Horses out. We have Sugar Mike. Pass to begin. Jen Ryan. Hot is down on the inside third. Then followed over by Sugar Free, Jonas Recipe, Marcus Wall, Tono Sama, and getting the white strip is Toda Mark. And going along for the first turn, Sugar Mike goes on by about 2 lengths. And in second is Jet and Ryan Hot. Now racing in third, Tono Sama in fourth. Racing in fifth on the outside, Sugar Free, Marcus Wolf, Jonas Recipe, and Toda Mark. They swing him to the back. And it's still Sugar Mike by about 3 lengths. Che and Ryan still in second. And here comes a Hot. Now trying to get closer in third, Marcus Wolf in fourth. Sugar Free, Tono Sama, Toda Mark, and Jonas Recipe. Sugar Mike by only a length. Then moving up now in the middle is a Hot. And on the outside, Jen Ryan, Marcus Wolf. As they come down to the last 200. Sugar Mike, Hot, moving up on the outside. It's now a Hot by about half length. Sugar Mike dressed back in second. Jen Ryan, Marcus Wolf. Last 75 meters. Once again, H-O-T, Hot. Second, Sugar Mike. Toda Mark close. Jen Ryan, Marcus Wolf. Hot.
Hot.